If alien civilizations exist, then something is killing them. And it might be next. The universe is not small. It is so vast that the human mind struggles to grasp it. Hundreds of billions of galaxies, each filled with hundreds of billions of stars, and around many of those stars, planets capable of supporting life. This is no longer speculation. We have confirmed it, which creates a disturbing contradiction. Intelligent life should not be rare. It should be common. It should leave signs. Yet when we look into space, we see no cities, no signals, no civilizations. Only silence. And silence on this scale does not happen by chance. Every intelligent species follows the same path. First, survival, then curiosity, then technology. In the beginning, technology saves a civilization. It protects it, it allows it to grow. But eventually, every civilization reaches a moment where its tools become powerful enough to end everything it has built. Not through evil intent, not through drama, but through speed. Intelligence grows faster than wisdom. Power grows faster than restraint. This moment is known as the Great Filter. It is not a single disaster. It is a stage. A stage where a civilization gains the ability to permanently damage itself before learning how not to. As technology accelerates, so do the risks. Energy extraction becomes planetary. Automation becomes autonomous. Systems become too complex to fully control. Each breakthrough feels like progress. Each breakthrough also multiplies the number of irreversible mistakes. A civilization does not need to choose extinction. It only needs to make one miscalculation, one system pushed too far, one consequence ignored for too long. From the inside, it feels normal. From the outside, it looks like a civilization approaching its end. When a civilization collapses, it does not announce itself to the universe. Planets do not explode. Stars do not flicker. Galaxies do not notice. Civilizations disappear quietly. Their structures decay. Their signals fade. Their planet continues orbiting its star as if nothing ever lived there. From millions of light years away, there is no evidence they ever existed. The universe does not preserve failures. It erases them. This is why the sky looks empty. And this is where the theory becomes personal. Humanity is no longer young. We now possess technologies capable of altering our planet, ending civilization, and creating systems that act faster than human judgment. These are not future dangers. They are present realities. From a cosmic perspective, this is exactly what a civilization looks like when it approaches the Great Filter. Not evil, not foolish, just powerful enough to be dangerous, and not yet wise enough to slow down. The Great Filter does not measure intelligence. It measures restraint. It asks whether a species can think long-term instead of short-term, whether it can cooperate globally under pressure, whether it can limit itself when it has no external limits. Most civilizations fail this test. Not because they lack intelligence, but because evolution never prepared them for planetary-scale power. Instincts that once ensured survival become destructive when amplified, and so the universe fills with civilizations that almost made it. Almost. What makes this even more disturbing is that no civilization knows it has reached the Great Filter until it is already too late. From the inside, nothing feels catastrophic. Daily life continues. Technology advances. Progress feels unstoppable. The warning signs are subtle, slow, easy to ignore. By the time the danger becomes obvious, the systems are already in motion, and stopping them would require a level of unity no civilization has ever demonstrated before. This is why we do not see evidence of alien life. Not because life is rare, but because survival is. The universe is not empty. It is selective. Only civilizations that learn to survive their own intelligence exist long enough to be noticed. And right now, humanity is facing the same silent test. that erased everyone else. If alien civilizations exist, then something is killing them. The only question left is whether we will recognize it in time or become invisible too.